Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a super cool AI tool called RivalOut, an AI-powered competitive intelligence platform that's helping businesses, marketers, and startups stay ahead of their competition with zero hassle. If you've ever found yourself spending hours digging through competitor websites, tracking their pricing, or trying to figure out what's working for them on social media, then you know how exhausting and time-consuming it can be. Well, RivalOut is here to change all that. In this video, I'm going to break down what RivalOut is, how it works, the key features that make it stand out, and why it might just be the secret weapon your business needs in 2025. Plus, I'll show you how easy it is to get started. So, let's jump right in. All right, so think of RivalOut as your personal AI-powered spy, but totally legal and ethical. It's a platform that automatically tracks your competitors' every move online, from their website, traffic and keyword rankings to social media activity and pricing changes. RivalOut collects all this data for you and turns it into easy-to-understand reports. No more manually checking dozens of competitor sites or piecing together info from random sources. RivalOut does the heavy lifting 24/7, so you get real-time insights delivered straight to your inbox or dashboard. In today's fast-paced market, knowing what your competitors are up to is critical. Imagine if you could instantly find out when a competitor launches a new product, drops their prices, or ramps up their marketing campaigns. That kind of intel lets you react faster, adjust your strategy, and stay one step ahead. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a SaaS company, or a marketing agency, RivalOut gives you the competitive edge by turning raw data into actionable insights. 1. Automated competitor tracking and discovery. RivalOut doesn't just track the competitors you already know, it actively discovers new players entering your market. It constantly scans the web to monitor changes in product offerings, pricing, and marketing tactics. This means you're never caught off guard by new threats or opportunities. Second, website traffic and SEO analysis. Want to know how much traffic your competitors' websites are getting? Or which keywords they rank for on Google? RivalOut provides detailed traffic analytics and keyword tracking so you can spot trends, identify gaps, and optimize your own SEO strategy based on real data. 3. Real-time alerts. One of the coolest features is the instant alerts. You can set up notifications for specific events like price changes, new product launches, or social media campaigns. This way, you're always in the loop and can respond immediately instead of reacting weeks or months later. 4th, AI-powered reports and recommendations. RivalOut's AI doesn't just collect data, it analyzes it. You get weekly or monthly reports that highlight your competitors' strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. SWOT analysis. Plus, it offers tailored recommendations so you know exactly what steps to take next. 5th, user-friendly dashboard. Even if you're not a data expert, RivalOut's intuitive dashboard makes it easy to understand complex data. Visual charts, graphs, and summaries help you quickly grasp key insights without drowning in numbers. Real-world use cases. E-commerce stores. Imagine your biggest competitor suddenly slashes prices on a popular product. RivalOut alerts you instantly so you can adjust your pricing or launch a promotion to keep customers coming your way. SaaS companies. Your rival updates their subscription plans or adds new features. RivalOut tracks these changes so you can stay competitive and highlight your unique selling points. Marketing agencies. Use RivalOut to gather intel on client competitors, helping you craft smarter campaigns and win pitches by knowing exactly what you're up against. Pricing and free trial. Is it worth it? RivalOut offers flexible pricing plans starting at just $29 per month for small teams, which is super affordable compared to other competitive intelligence tools. They also have plans for growing businesses and larger companies, with options to track multiple competitors. Best part? You get a 7-day free trial to test all the features with no credit card required. This gives you a risk-free way to see how RivalOut can fit into your workflow before committing. Getting started with RivalOut is easy. Here's your step-by-step guide. Step 1. Create your account. Visit the RivalOut website and click the free trial button in the top right corner. Enter basic info to sign up. No credit card required. Step 2. Add your company details. After logging in, input your company's website name, URL, and location. This helps RivalOut generate accurate comparison reports with competitors. Click Save when done. Step 3. Fill in keywords. Go to My Keywords, where you will be asked to fill in some basic keywords. If you don't know how to fill them in, scroll down and select some common ones. This will analyze the corresponding data of competing companies. After selecting, click Add Selected Items in the upper right corner, and it will fill in the description box above. Finally, click Save. Step 4. Track your competitors. Head to your dashboard and enter the names or URLs of competitors you want to monitor. Hit Save, and RivalOut will generate a comprehensive analysis report. This might take a few moments, but don't worry. Results will land in your inbox once ready. Step 5. Customize your monitoring. Choose the metrics you care about most. Traffic, audience, search, business profile. Pro tip: start with 2 to 3 focus areas to avoid overload. Step 6. Dive into reports. Explore side-by-side comparisons between your business and competitors. Each section breaks down key metrics, like engagement rates or SEO rankings, and includes trend charts to spot patterns. Step 7. Set up alerts. Under the Set Alerts for Changes section, create custom triggers, e.g. notify me if competitor X's social followers jump by 10%. Get updates via email or in-app notifications. Pro tips to maximize RivalOut. Refresh competitor lists quarterly. Markets shift fast. Keep your insights relevant. Mix external plus internal data. Combine RivalOut's reports with your sales stats or customer surveys for 360-degree insights. Share reports with your team. Tag marketing, sales, or product leads in comments to spark collaboration. Investigate unusual activity. A sudden spike in a competitor's traffic? Dig deeper. It could signal a new campaign or vulnerability. If you want to stop guessing and start knowing exactly what your competitors are doing, RivalOut is a fantastic tool to add to your arsenal. It saves time, reduces guesswork, and gives you actionable insights powered by AI. Whether you're a small business owner, marketer, or part of a larger enterprise, RivalOut can help you make smarter decisions and stay ahead in today's competitive market. If you're interested in trying RivalOut, check out the link in the description below to start your free trial today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews and tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions about RivalOut or competitive intelligence in general. See you in the next video.